two American performances. One in Indianapolis and one here. But it was exciting. Brucey back up again. Kevin told me without hesitation. They go to your crowd foundation crowd. We're thankful to Kevin Flight to have the fun and deserve this Warbird because from the Kevin Flight to for more information about their Warbird and tours, etc. Visit them at we never forget who we're working for. All right, look what Kevin has. He changed his direction by about 90 degrees. Now, because the sky has no reference, it's all blue. He looks out the left or right side of the cockpit. Slices the horizon at 90 degrees. These are not random maneuvers. These are highly choreographed maneuvers. This young man does to keep the airplane on the stage at all times. Maneuver you're going to do as he kisses the tires on the ground. He again does that rolling pull at about 6 to 8 times the force of gravity. Photo opportunity behind the Blue Angels FA-18. Oh, I love to tell you more about Kevin. He's got a little more time to fly as we work on an airplane that's coming out of the business this time. Kevin is going to fly his full routine later on today for us. I see what's happening now. If you go to, if you look out on the runway, Ford fire truck with 2 jet engines. Where? Pilot and driver is Mark Smith, former owner of this machine. It is now the most recent acquisition of the racing Darnell family, who have brought to you the triple jet engine powered Earwell truck. They bought the chocolate. They bought this machine last year from Mark Smith, our driver, and he has continued to be able to take capable, which can convert thrust to horsepower of 25,000 horsepower. 2 jet engines, raw flames coming out the side stack. The Darnell family won the coveted Airshow Showmanship Award last year in the Black Tie Awards banquet at our annual convention in Las Vegas. Smith is going to create his own Texas weather pattern. Cumulus clouds, lightning in the clouds, and thunder in the clouds as well. That show business, give him a big round of applause. The Darnell family adds this to the repertoire of very fast jet vehicles. You know why we have jet vehicles? Go well over 300 miles an hour. It's because you, the spectators, think that you want it in our surveys, so we give our spectators what they want. Kevin Coleman warming up for the race. Mark Smith is our driver. 9 years. Fire truck. 19 years of driving jet vehicles. Lived in Midland, Odessa for 25 years. Worked for the Halliburton company there for 25 years. He has recorded a speed of 411 miles per hour on the ground with this machine. And by the way, that's not an exaggeration. If you will go to the Guinness Book of Records, you will see in the Guinness Book of Records they have recorded this 1940 fire truck for 407 miles per hour. So you cannot fudge, you cannot fib, you cannot lie to the Guinness Record people. All right, now, this guy from the Coleman family. His father, an Airshow pilot. His brother, an Airshow pilot. Father and brother, both physicians. Great leaders in aviation. All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, about 400 horsepower has Kevin Coleman in the airplane. 25,000 horsepower in the truck. By your applause, do you think the airplane and Kevin Coleman will win this race? By your applause, do you think the fire truck will win this race? Woo! All right, my spectators have spoken. In a few seconds, this race will be history. Now, Smith has got to wait in the truck till he sees yellow. He's got yellow. He's going to unleash 25,000 horsepower of jet power. No screeching tires. He's got to beat on Kevin Coleman and the fastest. Out comes the broke sheet. Negative 11 G. Pushing Timothy's safety belt. The brakes would do no good there. They just burn out. He would see the runway coming up. Yeah, who voted for the airplane to win? Now let me ask you this. You folks love the jet-powered fast vehicles on the ground. Would you like to see another race?
Commander of Air Combat Command, General Mike Holmes, and all the men and women of Air Combat Command. We would like to thank you for having us at the 2019 Bell Fort Worth Alliance Airshow. I'm the Viper Demonstration Superintendent and one of your narrators, Master Sergeant Craig Schneider from Alexandria, Minnesota. Here with me at Show Center is my co-narrator, Tech Sergeant Ryan Hutchinson from Concord, California, as well as our safety observer and combat Bruder fighter pilot, Captain Sean Luff, call sign host from Greenfield, Massachusetts. As a member of Air Combat Command's 20th Fighter Wing located at Shaw Air Force Base in Sumter, South Carolina, it is our distinct pleasure to describe to you today a combat capability demonstration by the world's premier multi-role fighter, the F-16 Fighting Falcon, affectionately known as the Viper. The commander and pilot for the Viper demonstration team is Major Garrett Spitz, call sign Toro from Price, Utah. Major Spitz is a veteran fighter pilot with more than 2,400 hours in military aircraft and 55 combat missions supporting Operation Inherent Resolve. The Block 55 fuel seen today's demonstration is equipped with a General Electric F-129 afterburning turbofan jet engine. Major Spitz has 30,000 pounds of thrust in his fingertips. Ladies and gentlemen, stand up, put your hands together for Major Spitz and the F-16 Fighting Falcon.